Today I'll be demonstrating how to meal prep for beginners in order to eat healthier, save time, and most importantly, save money. To start off, it can be difficult to find a recipe that you like and is easy to make. I always go to Pinterest and just simply type in easy meal prep ideas. The one I chose today is a no-cook taco salad. You have to remember that when you meal prep, you'll be eating this meal multiple times throughout the week, so you must really make sure that you like it. Next, I write down every ingredient I need and exactly how much. This way, when I get to the grocery store, there's no confusion. My recipe was using amounts in order to make 4 taco salads for the week, but if you want to make more or less, you can always scale up or down accordingly. Today, I'll only be making 2 taco salads, so I scaled down. Now I'm off to the grocery store to grab everything I'll need. Meal prepping can seem intimidating at first, so it's important to choose a meal that's easy to make when you first begin. I chose a no-cook meal, so all I had to do was cut some vegetables and measure some ingredients before I could put it all together. To make things easier, make sure you have the recipe in front of you and all the kitchen utensils you will need in order to put this meal together. Once you have everything measured out and ready to go, grab the storage containers that you use to put your food in. I use plastic Tupperware and then store my meals in the fridge until I'm ready to eat them. If you don't currently own any Tupperware, you can start saving glass or plastic containers that food was in, and when you're finished with the food, wash the container, and that is your homemade Tupperware. Or if you're looking to get better meal prep containers, you can go on Amazon and find huge packs of them for pretty cheap. Now my meal is complete. I can put it in the fridge and eat it whenever I'm hungry without having to go buy more food or cook. Now you might be thinking, but how is this saving me any money? Fast food can be so cheap. Let's compare my meal prep to a similar fast food chain. A chicken bowl at Chipotle is $7.50. Next, I listed all my ingredients and how much they each cost. I went to Giant and used my Giant Save card to get the best prices, but there are much cheaper grocery stores like Aldi or ShopRite where you might even find better prices than I did. Next, I did the math to see how much it cost for each ingredient in one taco bowl. It turned out one taco bowl only cost $3.39 to make. Now you might ask, is meal prepping even that much healthier? Continuing with the Chipotle example, an average bowl at Chipotle is 850 calories, while my meal prep was only around 460 calories. Overall, Chipotle is expensive, has way too big of servings, and can be high in fat. While my similar meal prep taco bowl was cheap, the perfect serving size, high in protein, and had tons of veggies. I hope that you saw that meal prepping doesn't have to be intimidating. It can help you be healthier, save time, and best of all, save money.